So here is my Distressor compressor. Notice as soon as I turned it on, the first 4 compression LEDs came on and stay on with no input connected. So after contacting Tom, he advised me that there's an IC right here that controls those 4 LEDs that needs to be replaced. So we'll be doing that today.
So this is the IC location page that Tom from Empirical Labs sent me via email. This is the solder station I used with a very fine tipped solder gun and a quite small solder sucker device. Okay, here we see the IC that we have to replace. That's the one that I ordered online. Okay, here we see it removed, and I cleaned it with some alcohol after, and I sat the new IC into the board, make sure all the pins were in order. Okay, this is after the soldering. I was cleaning out the extra flux.
And look at that, no more funky LED lights.
All right, thanks for watching, and good luck with your fix. It's not that bad as long as you have a decent solder station.